Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily Life English. My name is Emma, and I am very happy to spend this time with you today.
Hi, everyone. I'm Dom. Thank you so much for joining us again. We really appreciate your time because time is very valuable.
Yes, that is very true. Before we start, we want to remind you, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Daily Life English. When you subscribe, you support our work, and you also help yourself practice English every week.
Exactly. And if you enjoy this episode, please like the video and write a comment. We love reading your comments. They make us smile.
Dom, I have a question for you.
Okay, I'm ready.
What is our topic today?
Today's topic is how I organize my day.
Oh, I like this topic. I think many people need this.
Yes, many people say I am very busy, but sometimes the real problem is not that we are busy. The real problem is that we do not organize our time well.
That is so true. So today, we will talk about how we plan our day, how we manage our time, and how we try to stay calm and focused.
And we will use simple English. We will speak slowly, and we will give many real-life examples.
So please relax. Maybe you are at home. Maybe you are on the bus. Maybe you are drinking coffee. Wherever you are, let's begin. Dom, let me ask you something simple. Do you organize your day every day?
Honestly, not every day. I try, but sometimes I am organized and sometimes I am not.
That sounds very human.
Yes, I am not a robot. If I were a robot, maybe my life would be perfectly organized.
But then you would not need coffee.
That's true, and I love coffee too much to be a robot.
So how do you usually start your day?
First, I wake up at 6:45 in the morning. I try to wake up at the same time every day.
That is very important. That is called a routine. Vocabulary word. Routine. A routine is something you do regularly, again and again at the same time.
Yes, when I have a routine, I feel more stable. I feel less confused.
I agree. If I wake up at a different time every day, my body feels tired. My mind feels slow.
Exactly. So after I wake up, I do not check my phone immediately.
Really? That is strong self-control.
Sometimes I want to check it, but I tell myself, wait, first take care of your mind.
That is a beautiful sentence. So, what do you do instead of checking your phone?
I drink water. Then I sit quietly for 5 minutes. I just think about my day.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes. I ask myself, what are the most important things I need to do today?
Important. That is a good word. Important means something that has high value, something that really matters.
Yes. Not everything is important. Some things can wait.
That is very true. Many people feel stressed because they think everything is urgent. Urgent means something that needs to be done immediately.
Yes. But not every email is urgent. Not every message needs an answer in 5 minutes.
I need to remember that. How many tasks do you usually plan for one day?
I usually choose 3 main tasks. Only 3.
Why only 3?
Because if I write 10 tasks, I feel overwhelmed.
Yes, I know that feeling. When I see a long list, I want to take a nap.
Exactly. So I choose 3 main tasks. If I finish them, I feel proud.
That is smart. It gives you a feeling of success.
Yes, and that feeling gives me motivation.
Very good explanation. Let me share how I organize my day.
Yes, please.
I use something called time blocks.
What are time blocks?
Time blocks are specific periods of time for specific tasks. For example, from 9 to 10 in the morning, I only answer emails. From 10 to 11, I work on writing.
So during that time, you focus on only one thing.
Yes, I do not open social media. I do not watch videos. I try to focus deeply.
Vocabulary word, focus. To focus means to concentrate on one thing without distraction. Distraction is a big problem today. Vocabulary word, distraction. A distraction is something that takes your attention away from what you are doing.
Yes, sometimes my phone is my biggest distraction.
Mine too. Sometimes I check one message and then 20 minutes are gone.
That reminds me of a useful phrase. Time flies when you're having fun,
Yes, it means time goes very fast.
especially when we are not working.
Do you take breaks during your time blocks?
Yes, after about 50 minutes, I take a short break.
What do you do during the break?
I stand up, I stretch, sometimes I walk around my house. I look out the window.
That is healthy. Vocabulary word, healthy. Healthy means good for your body and mind.
If I work for many hours without a break, my brain feels tired.
Yes, and when the brain is tired, we make more mistakes.
Exactly.
Let me share a personal story.
Yes, I love stories.
A few years ago, I did not organize my day at all. I woke up late, I worked randomly, I slept very late.
How did you feel?
I felt stressed. I felt like I was always behind.
Behind means you feel late, like other people are ahead of you.
Yes, I was busy all day, but I did not finish important work.
That is a very common problem.
One day, I realized something important. Being busy is not the same as being productive.
That is powerful. Work smarter, not harder.
Yes, it means do things in a better way, not just with more effort.
That phrase changed your mindset?
Yes,
Vocabulary word, mindset. Mindset is the way you think about things. I also changed my habits slowly, not in one day.
that is important. Change takes time.
Yes, another useful phrase is little by little.
That means slowly, step by step.
Yes, if you try to change everything in one day, you may fail.
And then you feel disappointed. Vocabulary word, disappointed. Disappointed means you feel sad because something did not go as you hoped.
So it is better to improve slowly.
Let's talk about the evening. How do you end your day?
At night, I look at my to-do list. I check what I finished.
And if you did not finish something?
I move it to tomorrow, but I do not blame myself.
That is important. Many people are too hard on themselves.
Yes, another useful phrase. Tomorrow is a new day.
That phrase gives hope.
Yes, it means every day is a new chance.
Let's review today's key vocabulary. Routine, something you do regularly. Urgent, needs to be done immediately. Overwhelmed, feeling too much pressure. Motivation, the reason or energy to act. Focus, to concentrate. Distraction, something that takes your attention away. Mindset, the way you think. Disappointed, feeling sad because something did not go well.
Very good review.
Before we finish, let's give our listeners a simple plan.
Okay.
Step 1. Wake up at a regular time.
Step 2. Choose 3 important tasks.
Step 3. Use time blocks to focus on one task at a time.
Step 4. Take short breaks to rest your mind.
Step 5. Reflect at night and prepare for tomorrow.
Reflection is very powerful. Vocabulary word, reflect. To reflect means to think carefully about your actions.
Yes. Ask yourself, what did I do well today? And what can I improve tomorrow?
Now it is your turn to practice speaking English.
You can say, I organize my day by, and finish the sentence.
Or you can say, my 3 important tasks today are.
Practice speaking out loud. Even if your English is not perfect, that is okay.
Perfection is not the goal. Progress is the goal.
Very nice sentence.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like the video,
write a comment, and subscribe to our channel, Daily Life English.
Your support helps us create more simple and useful English lessons.
Thank you for spending your time with us today.
Remember, take it one step at a time.
And tomorrow is a new day.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.